Camera is rolling. Get comfortable. All right.
Split in Half, presented by William Schritzinger and Kyla Kellum and Uriah Brooks. Table of Contents: Introductions, Rate and Effects, Why and Risk, and How to Stop it.
Introduction. What are drugs? Drugs is a chemical substance that can have a negative effect on your body and have legal consequences. Teens over the years have begun to use drugs more and more. A drug that teens use often is called e-cigarettes.
Rate, according to NCDS, DAS, 2.08 million of 12 to 17-year-olds nationwide report using drugs in the last month. 591,000 of these teenagers aged 12 to 17 used an illicit drug other than marijuana in the last month. 8.7% of 8th graders have used an illicit drug in the last month. Over the time, the rate of drugs will continue to increase and have more effect on others.
Effects of e-cigarettes: mental health problems, risky behaviors, and changing mood over time. It can also lead to cancer in the body.
Lung cancer. E-cigarettes can lead to lung cancer because they contain harmful chemicals and toxins. Inhale these chemicals and they can damage your lungs while increasing the risk of cancer. Some of those chemicals include nicotine and formaldehyde.
Why is it important to know this? It's important to know why teens use e-cigarettes because it affects the developing brain, causes breathing problems, and even though they have a whole bunch of flavors, it still has many chemicals that can harm or even kill you.
What are really e-cigarettes and the risk of using them? E-cigarettes are battery-powered devices that heat a liquid solution containing nicotine and other chemicals to create a vapor for users to inhale. The risks include being addicted to it. Nicotine is a highly addictive chemical and can lead to dependence. The health effects include negative effects on your respiratory system and overall health from smoking e-vapor.
Why teens use e-cigarettes? Nicotine is a very addictive chemical, the brain not being fully developed as a teenager, and vaping alludes to a plethora of problems. Teens are susceptible to addictions than adults because of the brain. E-cigarettes are more popular with teenagers and they use it way more than adults because they are more easy to convince or motivate. Thank you. This is the end of our PowerPoint. E-cigarettes are more popular with teenagers and they use it way more than adults. They are more easy to convince and motivate. Thank you. This is the end of our PowerPoint.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We're back with World Detroit News, and today we have a very sad story of the young man William. The nicotine wave has caught this young man, and vaping has been a serious problem amongst teenagers in today's time. So we want to bring you a little insight on William's story.
William, what are you doing?
It's not what you think, Mom.
Are you crazy?
I'm sorry.
Give me that earphone.
No, what? Mom, I feel so good.
What do you mean you don't feel good?
I'm feeling drowsy and I'm having shortness of breath.
It's all that stuff you do. It's going to kill you, right?
But
We're going to the hospital.
Buddy, so what seems to be the problem today?
Well, my son here, he's been vaping recently and he having shortness of breath.
Vaping, it's not good.
it's not just a cold.
Well, we won't rule out the routine test, so we can still have a common cold, so that's what we're gonna do first. We're gonna run the first test, and then we're gonna see what happens. So I'm gonna get back to you on that. Give me no more than 45 minutes. We're gonna take some tests with him, and then we're gonna get back to you. Man, my good news is that his son, he's been diagnosed with cancer.
Will he be okay?
Okay, the good news is that it's the cells that we found, they're very small. We can figure something out, but the smoke has to stop.